So today I'm going to take you step by step on how to redeem your Fetch reward points. Now we're going to go ahead and load up the app here in real time so you can follow along step by step. All right, so we're going to be here in our Discovery tab for us. You see sometimes you'll have little notifications when you load up the app, but no matter what, you should always be starting up here in the Home tab, which is our Discovery. And in order to go ahead and redeem your points, you're going to go to the top right-hand side where you do see your points. For our example here, we have 18,000. Let's go ahead and click on this here for us. Now, in this section here, it's going to automatically be toggled to use your points, and you're going to see all the different categories you have. Now, one of the things we want to keep in mind here for us as well is not everything is equal one-to-one. There are some types of cards or rewards that are going to be cheaper or more expensive than others, and I'm going to show you here in just one sec. So you can always go with a cash card if you like a Visa gift card, or you can go to retail, entertainment, restaurants, anything that kind of fits what you're looking for. So today's example, we're going to click on retail. And right over here, we're going to see a bunch of different retail shops for us, one of which is going to be Amazon, a pretty popular one. And just as a quick example here, you could see an Amazon gift card is going to be 28,000 points for $25, whereas something like an AutoZone is only going to be $26,500 or $26,500 for a $25 gift card. So please keep that in mind when you're going through and using up points or wanting to save up for points. So for today's example, we're going to go ahead and pick an Amazon gift card, and we're going to choose this $10 because you can see that's what we have available for us, or we can keep waiting until we get to 28,000 for a $25 gift card. So what we do is just click on the dollar amount that is available for us in the orange. We're going to click on that, and it's going to take us right over here. And at the very bottom, it lets us choose our $10 reward. So we're going to go ahead and click on this at the very bottom. Now, right over here, it is just verifying this for us to make sure that we are using up our points properly so we don't accidentally click on something that we didn't want. So we're going to click on yes over here. And right over here, it's going to have an incoming reward, which means we are now going through that process. It says, heads up, gift cards can take up to 3 days to process. So we'll get you an email when everything is ready. Now you can see up here at the top, the actual amount has now replenished. So we only have access to the next rewards, and our total points has gone down as well, which means that our reward is now in process. All right, so from right over here, we're going to go ahead and click on Got It. And then this actually just takes us right over here to our pending rewards. You can see this is in progress. It lets us know the date we are redeeming it and then how long it takes to go ahead and redeem. You can potentially cancel, but that's not always going to end up working out for you. All right, so we're actually back here on the home page, and we waited the 72 hours to go ahead and get the notification about our gift card being ready. And we're recording this a little bit after the 72 hours, but nevertheless, we do have to make sure we had to wait that time. So we're back here on the home page. And now here on the top right-hand side where we see our total points, that 5,500, we see a little red dot here towards the top right. We're going to click back here, and it's going to take us to our rewards. And like earlier, it is showing us to be able to use our points. And now over here to the right-hand side where it says My Rewards, you'll see again that little red dot. Let's click here. And over here towards that bottom, you can see in the recent, you can see right over here, our reward is ready because earlier it said that it was processing. So let's go ahead and click over here. And that's going to now take us over here to the gift card, which is going to show the company, the total dollar amount, and then the actual card number. You can click the little arrow here to jump over and just redeem it automatically, or you can copy this and paste it into your Amazon gift card section on the website or on the app. Now, if you actually want to learn how to redeem your Amazon gift card properly on the Amazon website, go ahead and check out our video right over here on screen to learn step by step on how to properly redeem your gift card.